Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Square Payroll, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the search bar, type in the URL for Square Payroll. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Square Payroll login page. On the login page, locate the email field. Enter the email address associated with your Square account. Next, find the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you prefer to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Once your email and password are entered, click on the Sign In button. You will be redirected to your Square Payroll dashboard. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Re-enter your email and new password. Click the Sign In button again. You should now have access to your Square Payroll account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the Help section for troubleshooting steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.